In this video, I will show you how to delete your Google account using your Android phone in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. To begin, open Gmail app and log in with that account you want to delete permanently. Once there, click on Manage Google Account. An interface like this will appear in front of you. Navigate to the Data and Privacy section where you will find various options related to your account settings. Scroll down until you come across the option labeled Delete your Google account and click on it to initiate the deletion process. During this process, you may need to verify your identity by using your phone's screen lock method, such as a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Click on Continue. Once verified, you will be presented with a detailed overview of the terms and consequences of deleting your account. Take your time to review this information carefully. After reviewing the terms, confirm your understanding by ticking the checkboxes provided and then proceed to click on the Delete Account button to finalize the process. Once completed, your Google account will be permanently deleted. You can confirm this by checking your profile icon in the Gmail app or any other Google service, where you will notice that your account has been successfully removed. And there you have it. That's how you can easily delete your Gmail or Google account permanently. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, and please subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.